Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from, it's made in South Korea, and this is definitely packaged for the US market. This is the Han Kitchen. Ooh. And this is Gomtang. You ever had Gomtang yun? Maybe? Possibly? So, it's a Korean thing. It's kind of like, think of like a creamy beef noodle soup. That's basically what you get out of this. And usually it's pretty darn good. That's how I think of the whole Shazam. Do I put that in there now? Yeah, I do. Oh, and you want to watch it cook. That's right. We will allow that. I will approve that activity. Come on, don't boil over. That's not approved. There we are. Yeah, 550 mils of water. Holy crap. That's a lot. Well, we just went for our walk, and then we walked around on the trail, got out in the nature, nice, and then where did we go? Where have I been? We went to Costco Business Center in search of the protein drinks we like, which they did not have, so we got some new fangled protein drinks. And then we went to 99 Ranch Market in beautiful downtown International District, Highway 99, Edmonds. It's like there's two parts of Edmonds. There's the downtown area, which is like the old towny kind of area, and then there's the part on 99. And the part on 99, I don't know. I think the people that live in the actual, what you would consider Edmonds downtown, quote unquote, proper, probably don't like the 99 part. I don't know. I really don't know. All I know is that down the road, we used to live right next to there, and down the road is a Safeway grocery store, and they have a parking spot that's only for police cars because they get like jacked so often that they need to have a parking spot for the police. If that isn't a commentary on the state of affairs on Highway 99, I don't know what is. But, yeah. Kind of a weird deal. Yeah, there's our Gomtang myun cooking, boiling as it were, doing its thing. I actually set up the, my monitor thing. Here, I'll show you. There we are. So this is my monitor thing. So you get to see, I can see what you're seeing because the back of the phone that I'm using to shoot the video is, it's a phone. So I can't see the back side of it. I can right now, actually. I'm looking behind it. Big news today is Dianne Feinstein died at the age of 90 years old, still being a senator. That's crazy. She needed to go. I mean, I'm not talking she needed to die, but she needed to kind of bow out gracefully. You know, if you're having cognitive problems, you probably shouldn't be holding a powerful political seat, not having your aides tell you when to, do this or that. She's a Democrat, and she was rather, and who's the other guy? Mitch McConnell. He's been having firmware update issues while he's giving speeches, so maybe it's his time for him to go. I don't know. I think it's jacked up that, it's like, dude, it's a job. You probably do have family. Maybe you should, not spend all this time working and maybe spend time with them before you go. Oh, he was a great man. Every last second he was working for the government. It's like, ouch. I don't know. Wouldn't be my choice. Okay. Anyways, enough about elderly statesmen and stateswomen. Here is Gomtang from the Han Kitchen. I don't know if this is actually a company or if this is just arranged by another company or what's going on here, private labeled kind of thing. I don't know. But I haven't eaten anything. All I've had today is vitamins and 2 freaking 300 milligram caffeine drinks. So I'm kind of like, woo, 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 woo. Cheers. That noodle is great. Our broth, right there. So notice it's not red. It's not shinny. You know what I mean? It's not your... When you think of Korean instant noodles, you usually think it's going to be red, it's going to be spicy, maybe a mushroom, vegetable kind of flavor. Usually it leans kind of, the idea is toward beef. This is more like a creamy beef. I like that. That's a good one. I've had a few Gomtang varieties. And they're all pretty good. So I'm going to use my traditional Korean bowl today. Bam! It's called a dulcet. I believe, I don't know, there's the ones with the handles on the sides that go on the wooden platform. I think this is still considered a dulcet. There was a big kerfuffle in one of the groups recently that I manage about, well, I guess it wasn't that recent, come to think of it now, but so there are different bowls that different cultures kind of use regularly, and sometimes they're metal and they look like this, and people think that these look like dog food bowls, and it's like, I totally understand, but don't like, that's a bowl for a dog to eat out of. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no. That's not kind. That'd be freaking nice. I've got all this stuff I need to use, but really this one, I'm going to do like the packaging is showing. I got to do this like, this really does not need a whole lot of, that's about right there. Wow, the weather is like really confused today. I've got 3 things that can have beef, so, oh wait, oh crap, one of them might not be really tuned up for beef. There we are. The stuff's good. If you can find yourself some Gomtang, you should try it. Gomtang, folks. All right. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one you're going to see was sent to me by my good friend, the Reverend Dick Gazinia. This is from it's made for the UK. Looks like they got a distributor in Spain. The product might be just made in Bangladesh. I don't know, but this is Yumsu Chili Fire Instant Noodle. And yeah, this will be the 4,800th review I have done. If you go over to www.theramenraider.com, you'll be able to see this when it comes out, which will be a while from now. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.